to show you how you can buy the hosting for your website, right? So I paste website, right? So if you're clicking on this, if you click on this, you will find many hosting providers. But I'm going to recommend you the best one, which is called A2Hosting. Yeah, I will share this link in the description. This link, I will share this link in the description. When you enter that link, you will be coming to this place, right? So you don't need to buy the WordPress hosting specialized because this is more expensive. We are going to start with the shared hosting view plan. You can see this is very cheap, like $3 per month, right? At the initial stage, they give you the percentage off. But for example, if you have the one website, this one is the best. But if you want unlimited website, then you can go with the Drive or Turbo Boost. Or for example, if you have only one website, and that can require the good servers, because you might have the good traffic on the website, then you can come to the Turbo Boost. You can launch unlimited website with unlimited storage, which is the NVMe, and free migration, and then you have the 20 times faster resource than the other two, right? For example, if you have a very simple website, you can come to this, right? Keep it 12, 12 is fine, and click on get a startup, right? When you come to this place, so you can type your own, use my own domain. For example, if you have purchased the domain already from the GoDaddy, for example, Microsoft, right, .com. For example, if you have purchased this domain already, then you can use this domain. For example, if you have not purchased the domain for now and you are planning to purchase it later, right? So you can use the temporary domain. My domain at2hosting.com, right? So you can use this domain. For example, if you have registered a new domain, if you don't have any domain, then you can click on any domain like unit.com, check availability. Okay, congratulations, it is available to be purchased. So we are going to purchase it, continue. And this will give you the complete information that you are going to have the web hosting, and web hosting servers from which state. For example, if you're from the, like, which location, Arizona, for example, which one is near to Arizona, Michigan, or Amsterdam, Singapore, right? If you are from the Europe, you can click on the Amsterdam, or if you're from the US West, you can click on Arizona. That's it. On the right side, click on continue. When you click on continue, also you can see 12-month price 2.99. This moment you will be only paying $35.88 only for the hosting. This is for the hosting, right? So initially they give you the discount on that. I don't know why it is taking much time. Okay, when you come to this place, you don't need any, because DNS management will be already there. We don't need this. If you want to move for the ID protection, for example, your name, you are going to buy the hosting, so that name, your name should not be available to anyone on the internet marketplaces. So you can click on this, otherwise leave it empty. Email forwarding, you don't need the email forwarding for the beginner accounts. Click on continue. And when you come to this place, This shows you the complete checkout. So first of all, you have the startup web hosting plan, right? And this will be the annual amount, but initial stage they will give you the discount. And you have the domain registration, which will cost you $11 per year, right? And renewal will be $18 per year. After 1 year, it will cost you $18 per year. Let me click on checkout. When you come to checkout, this is your personal information. You can put this, and it will show you the complete amount, how much amount you are going to pay. The total amount will be $46, $46.87 at this moment for 1 year. But after 1 year, you will be paying 137.87 USD every year. Right, this is the recurring amount. When you are done, you just need to click on the complete order, and then you have the domain and hosting. Right, bye.